Just put a coconut on the stove, and you'll thank me over and over again. It's simply incredible. The first thing we're going to do is make a hole in the coconut to remove the water. After removing the water, we'll put the coconut on the stove over high heat. Through the same hole from which we removed the water, we'll insert a metal object or other object that fits well into it. Here, I'm using a screwdriver. Turn the coconut so that all the parts are exposed to the fire. When all the parts are the same color, we'll remove it from the fire. Now, with the help of an object, we're going to hit the coconut to break it. This makes it much easier and more practical to extract the pulp, which is usually difficult to get out. With this technique, it's much simpler. It's incredible. Now, let's cut the coconut into small pieces and wash it again. Then put everything in a blender and add water until it's completely covered. Here, I've added about half a liter of room temperature water. Many people spend money buying coconut milk, but once they've learned this trick, they'll never need to buy it again. After whisking everything well, let's strain it. Don't throw away the shredded coconut. You can put it in the oven at 120 degrees for an hour. When it dehydrates, just pulverize it and you'll have coconut flour. Then cover the coconut milk and leave it to rest for 8 hours. Many people don't know what this trick is for, but I guarantee that once they do, they'll start doing it all the time and will thank me. Can you imagine what this is for? Many people don't know it, but coconut is considered a tropical gem due to its great nutritional potential. In addition, it is an excellent product for detoxification, strengthens the immune system, reduces the effects of diabetes, promotes digestion, and protects the heart. In addition to the benefits mentioned, coconut oil can also be used topically for skin and hair care. It's great for moisturizing dry areas and treating minor irritations. Simply apply a small amount to the skin and massage gently. For hair, coconut oil can be used as an intensive moisturizing mask. Apply it, leave it on for at least 30 minutes, and then wash it out as usual. See all the benefits. In a pan, fry the coconut oil over medium heat for 40 minutes, stirring constantly. When it turns brown, you can turn off the heat and let it cool. Strain well through a cloth and you will have pure coconut oil. You can take a tablespoon on an empty stomach to detoxify your body and strengthen your immune system. This is the same coconut oil we buy at the pharmacy and pay a lot for, both to drink and to use on our hair.